Hey, welcome back to DIY Genesis. This is Q, and I wanted to bring this quick tutorial to you to really show you how easy it is to actually install the one-click demo for Magazine Pro. So I wanted to go through this. I really set up a fresh WordPress install. So when we get ready to go ahead and sign in here, what you're going to see is the beginning of the installation. So I wanted to give you sort of a fresh start so you can see exactly how this is supposed to go, and then we can jump right in and get going with the Magazine Pro and the one-click demo. So let's get started. So here we go. As I promised you, fresh WordPress install. So it's asking us for the language here. We're going to do English, United States. Hit continue, and we're just going to call this dev for now. And I will set up my username. And of course, I'll hide my password here. And email. I don't mind you seeing the username here. And I'll discourage the search engines from indexing the site right now, and then we'll hit install WordPress, and this will take a few minutes, and then it'll actually be installed, and then we'll see the site title dev, and we should be good to go. All right, so here we go. It's done. The install here is successful, and I'll use LastPass here to keep up with all my passwords. And we'll go ahead and log in. So I know my username and password, and we're logging in. All right, so there we go, and we're moving on. So first thing you want to do obviously is go to your themes, and right now there is trying to activate Essence Pro, and then the Genesis framework is already installed. So that's important. You need to make sure you have Genesis framework installed, and then of course the Magazine Pro theme is what we're talking about. So we're going to go ahead and activate the Magazine Pro theme because that's the one we're looking for. So then we have this Get Started with Magazine Pro theme that pops up, and then it's going to prompt you to go with the install pack. So we're just going to use the multi-topic install pack, and you can see you have cuisine and fitness and travel, so whichever one you want. In fact, we're just going to go ahead and do the multi-topic. We'll hit install pack, and then it's going to go ahead and do the recommended plugins, and then from here it will walk you through just this simple demo content install. And then the next thing you should see is view the homepage, because the demo site, there it is, all done. Now view homepage. So we will go ahead and click view homepage, and voila, there we go. The site is installed like the demo, the content's there, just that simple, just that easy. So hopefully you were able to follow along with that. If not, then please reach out to me in the contents. I'm going to put a link to this theme, Magazine Pro, and the Genesis framework in the description below so that you can follow along with the tutorial. And if you have any questions, if you're not sure about something, if you want to see another tutorial based on something else that you know that you're dealing with when it comes to the Magazine Pro theme or any other Genesis theme, then please comment in the comment below and just let me know. And at the same time, please make sure if you're not a subscriber at DIY Genesis, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you can keep up with the new tutorials that we're going to be coming out with. And then also, please make sure that you like the video, share it, and just continue to just come back and check us out as we're going to keep putting out new content and new videos. So thanks again, guys, for coming by and checking out DIY Genesis. And again, I look forward to giving you wonderful and great content. And until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.